The day today. This is what it looked like out on the eastern plains all day long. The storm clouds just billowing up. Watch this one just shoot up into the sky right here. Big old cumulonimbus cloud. Now, it looked for a time like we might get away with it here along the Front Range. This is our camera up in Westminster. But look, late this afternoon as this next round of storms began to come in, you'll even see a couple of flashes of lightning showing up on this time lapse as that storm began to move into the Denver area. This is what it looked like late this evening. Those clouds building, the downtown skyline showing up here, and right at the end of this you'll start to see that rain area coming in with those late thunderstorms. So what happens now? The storms are tapering off, and they'll be ending between now and about midnight. Sunny skies in the morning tomorrow. Will get up to 87 in the afternoon with isolated storms expected. Here's what it looks like on radar. The thunderstorm activity pushing on into the Denver area, and you see all the lightning indicate with the storm. Now I want to show you where the brunt of these are. Now along 470, both C and E 470, the south, there's Mile High Stadium in the circle, so you can see the lightning's moved away, but it's still really pounding into the ground down here from Highlands Ranch, the Lone Tree area about 1027, Stonegate about 1041 as these storms move toward the East Parker about 1048. Other storms lighter over Aurora, more storms out on the eastern plains, really some intense lightning just to the south of Burlington now. Downtown Denver, 65 degrees. It's 59 at the airport, 87% humidity. Winds are from the east-northeast. It was 85 for the high, 53 was the low temperature. We still have this persistent weather front hanging around here, and the storms, although they're moving away tonight, that front is going to hang around for one more day. So overnight, the storms exit the state. That warm front starting to move closer, but it's still going to be the focus for some afternoon storms for tomorrow. 53 tonight in Denver, 36 at Leadville, 52 degrees at Greeley. And then tomorrow morning, we'll see those readings mostly in the mid-50s under a mostly sunny sky. But with that front coming through very slowly tomorrow, it's bringing drier and hotter air in from the west, but it's still going to hang around here so that late in the afternoon into the evening, we get another round of storms coming our way. But check out the numbers. It's mid-80s to upper 80s northeast, low 90s southeast, mid to upper 90s out at Grand Junction and Moab, and that air is coming our way. Storms ending tonight, 53 for a low under partly cloudy skies. For tomorrow, get some sun in the morning, a few storms, not nearly as many in the afternoon, a high temperature of 87. And then get set to sweat, folks, because the temperatures hit 92 coming up on Friday, 95 on Saturday. I'm going to give that the bright spot, though, because that is something we haven't seen in a long time. Sunday, mostly sunny and a high temperature of 93. More thunderstorms come back into the picture with the beginning of the work week, with late day storms on Monday and a good chance of storms next Wednesday. Those will be our first alert weather days.
Crazy. And Red Rocks, too, was on a rain delay tonight, so all kinds of action in the skies.
It
and
might be early June in Colorado.
Must be.
Yes.
And